Welcome back to the Science Kitchen. Now, today we're in some difficult times. We're in the peak of the coronavirus outbreak in the UK, and it's often a struggle to get food from the supermarket to make meals you're familiar and comfortable with, as the shelves are selling out. So today I'm going to my local Sainsbury's and I'm going to select some ingredients to make a meal. And I've got no idea what I'm going to select, but let's go through it together. So we're in a Sainsbury's, and you're not going to find much down the fresh meat or the dried food aisle, so rice and pasta. But there's so much produce, and I'm talking salad, fruits, vegetables available, and so much produce that's grown in the UK, which is easily accessible. So I've got the ideas forming in my head now. We're going to take some flat mushrooms, some Maris Piper potatoes, some green beans, some herbs, thyme and rosemary, and some garlic. So we're back in the kitchen, guys, and we're going to create a mushroom steak dinner. So we're just going to undress these flat mushrooms and we're going to cook them almost like a steak. And this is a fantastic way to prepare the mushrooms, as it really levels up the flavours. You caramelise these mushrooms. So we've got some butter into our cast iron pan, place the mushrooms flat down, and add your garlic, some thyme and some rosemary into that pan. So if you've not tried this technique before, highly recommend it. The flavour is just incredible. So what we need to do is we need to press these mushrooms down. This is going to extract all the water of the mushroom. You can see that foaming away. I'm going to wait until it starts to sizzle. And these mushrooms completely brown and completely caramelized, which you don't get by roasting in the oven. So the mushrooms are infused with that thyme, that garlic, that rosemary. We're just going to finish with some Maldon smoked sea salt and some freshly ground black pepper. So we're just going to serve this with some green beans and our triple cooked chips. The video is linked here. So here is our mushroom steak dinner. Done. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you have, please make sure to like and to share the video, and to not miss the next one in the series, please subscribe to the channel, support the channel. I've got something really exciting in the works for my next video. I will see you next time.